Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. In today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you how to make like a game hub on Python. This is going to be a 4 or 5 part video series. In today's video, this is part 1 of it, as you can see the number 1. I'm going to be showing you the basics of how to do it. So I'm going to be showing you the base like the sign in menu, all that stuff. And after that, in the next videos, we're going to be adding the games which you can choose to play. Okay, now let's start with the video. First, we start as this is a Tkinter project, so you're gonna have to already have the latest version of Python and all the Tkinter installed. You'll also need Pygame because we need that for the games. If you don't want to use Pygame for the games, and then don't import it. Just import what you use for the games. I'm gonna into the videos in the series. I'm gonna be showing you. I'm gonna be using games I've already made and adding it into it. If you don't want to use those, you could just add your own. It's really simple. I'll show you in those videos. And then we need sys, time, and random. And then from Tkinter, you need to import button, frame, and message box like here. And I'm going to import Tkinter as TK so you don't have to type down the whole long name of Tkinter. And it'll just be very annoying. So, okay, here we start off with the login. So the basics of the login, and we'll also show the UI. So here user ID equals the entry I get, and password equals password entry.get. Those two are what the user types down for the password and the user. So here if the user ID is admin, so admin is what I set as the username. If it's not that, it'll show an error. So for admin, so you can change it to whatever you want. And my password is 123 to keep it simple. And if you type on it correct, it'll say welcome. It'll say welcome to you. If you don't, it'll say error, wrong username or password. Here we're defining the variable to open up the secondary window where all the games are gonna be. So where the games are gonna be. So here is defining it right there. So at the bottom below it, it's setting the title, and it's making the window, and it's also setting the size. And the bottom is the games. So those are the names of the game and the name. So the command. So you can set it to whatever you want. If you're going to use mine, you can change it if you want. And just change the name if whatever you want. The command here is epilepsy, tic-tac-toe, and balls. Yeah, those are what the variable for the games are. So later in the tutorial, not in this video but in the next one or the one after, you'll understand why I called it that. Those are just the name to it, because for that we will get the game code, we import all the libraries we need, and then we will just paste in the code on here is the final variable. We will paste the code on the variable. For example, for tic-tac-toe, it's under, the whole game is under the variable tic-tac-toe. And here, if the player presses tic-tac-toe, the button, it will open up that tic-tac-toe game. So yeah, basically yeah. And here just doing the same as before. And here is making the login page where sign in. Before on the other one, that was just the basics, like the functionality. Here is just the GUI. So here is making parent.title means login. So the title of the window will be login. And below that, if you go to username, that will be what the username. So username with the colon is where we type it down, the username. And here there's checking, same with all of that. And the last one, login underscore button equal tk.button. Parents, yeah, all of that. That is just checking. So it's validating the login, checking that is right. And here parent.main that's the end of this of today's episode, but not actually. I'm gonna show you the thing first after. So yeah, then .main loop just runs the whole thing. Thank you for watching. If you want to see it, stay in for a few seconds. Let me open up the code. And yeah, here is the code. Here I just shows these games, because these are the games I'm using. Here is like a painting game. It's basically it's the exact same code as before, like that. So wait, it's this one, yeah. I'll run it right. Okay, I need to install Pygame, so I'll just install it real quick. Alright, sorry. Sorry, I can't show you it right now, it's not working. I'll try a bit later. Wait a Okay, not working right now, I'll try it later. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and please check out my other videos. Thank you very much. Is it finished? Oh yeah.